Press the yellow button. Great catch! Let's move up the grabber. Move the crane to the other side. Ready? Let the ball go.
It's Pepe's Playhouse.
Let's play with balls today. But first, we need to build the toy. Let's start connecting this cool crane. This will pick up the ball and take it to the other side. When we turn the dial this way, the grabber goes down. And when we turn it this way, the grabber goes up. We have the crane, but the balls need a way to get to the other side. So let's add this 3-level ramp. This is where the balls will slide down. Good job, guys! Now we need some balls to play. Let's take a look inside these garages and see if we can find a ball. Uh-oh, the door is locked. We'll need a key to open it. Look, I have some keys. Let's see if the red key opens the red garage. I can see a red egg. And there's something inside. We found a ball. This ball has a lion on it. Lions are big cats and are called the king of the jungle. Let's start putting the ball here. Now we press this button to move the ball 3 levels up. Look, the ball is at the top. To move the ball to the other side, we push the lever to the right and turn the dial. We move down the crane's grabber close to the ball and press the yellow button. Great catch! Now let's move up the ball. We line up the crane's grabber with the ramp and let the ball go. Now we pull the blue lever and the ball returns to the starting point. Well done, friends! We did a great job with the ball. Let's try to find another ball. Let's open the white door, and for this door, we will use the white key. I see an orange egg. Is there anything inside? We have another ball, and this ball has a sheep on it. Sheep have soft, fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Let's place the ball here and move it to the top level. Now we push the lever to the right. Turn the dial to move the ball. The ball is now next to the crane. We need to move the grabber down. Press the yellow button. Great catch. Let's move up the grabber. Move the crane to the other side. Ready? Let the ball go. And last, we pull the blue lever. Yes, we made it. Another ball finished the turn. We still have one more garage to check, and to open this door, we will use the blue key. There is a blue egg. Is there a ball inside? Yes, look, there is a ball and a polar bear is on it. Polar bears live in very cold places, and they are great swimmers. Let's place the ball here. Do you remember what to do? First, we press the button to take the ball to the top level. Push the orange lever and turn the dial to the right. Now, let's move down the grabber. Press the yellow button. Move up the grabber. Now, the ball needs to go to the other side. Let the ball go. And pull the lever. Another ball crossed the finish line. We did it, guys! Don't forget to give us a like and see you in the next video.